Optimus is a post-production house. We do TV commercials. We basically do editing, production, graphics, audio, and really one of the challenges is trying to get all these things to work together really well. And that involves, moving data around or having stuff available for multiple rooms at once. And that's something that, like a StorNext SAN that we've had has been fantastic for. You can just set it up and the editors don't worry about it. So people can just do their jobs. They're not worried about the back end, but we know that it's there. We know it's going to work. And it's something that, is really, really worth building facility around.
We don't want them to think about the hardware. We don't want them to think about the computers they work on. We want them to think about the process and producing a quality piece for our clients. One of our concerns was the actual speed of being able to manage thousands of files and being able to play these back in real time when the client wants to sit down in the room and watch it. That's kind of the make or break time.
StorNext is able to handle anything you throw at it. It's not essentially a corporate IT solution. It's really a solution meant for media, entertainment, the kind of work we do. Quantum's become basically what we use for archiving everything. It is our archive for all of our flames, all of our smokes, our VFX guys, our graphic guys, and we use essentially their tiered SNMS storage where we have StorNext workspaces moved to a StorNext managed file system, and then that gets migrated off to tape directly to an i6000. We've really come to rely on LTO with the i6000. It's very affordable, it's very reliable.
We're now reassured that our archives are always going to be safe. We're always going to be able to find the data we want, and it's extremely reliable.
And when you're talking about the size of projects we work with, archiving stuff to spinning disk permanently or archiving things to the cloud or something like Amazon, it really isn't cost effective, for the long term. Terabytes and terabytes of data, might seem cheap at pennies a gigabyte, but it really, when you get to 500 terabytes sitting in a pile, for tape, that's not that much actually. As disk, that's really expensive. And it becomes a monthly charge instead of tape where you essentially buy it once and you have it.
So to summarize, in a much shorter form, what LTO really means to us, it means we aren't taking a $250 tape and storing one job on it. Instead, we're taking a $50 tape and maybe storing 2, 3, 4, 5 jobs on a $50 tape.
One really cool thing with the i6000 is you actually get Quantum support and installers directly with it. So they'll come out, they set it up with you, they configure it, they hook it up to your network, to your StorNext SAN, and make sure everything works. We've
called them up and talked to them about how things should work and features and other pieces, and we've always got somebody to listen to us. It's been a really good relationship between us and Quantum.
Transitioning to something like Quantum, it's not hard. It's something that the clients just connect. You have servers that can handle it, you have storage that can handle it, and it all fits together and works really well.